One should remain calm and stress-free at the very end. We should believe in ourselves and have confidence that we prepared great. Hello friends, my name is Anshita Batra and I have been studying in Aakash since class 9th and have been the part of 4-year integrated classroom program in Aakash, 2 years for foundation course and 2 years for JEE Mains and advanced preparation. I was told about Aakash from my relatives and friends that were already preparing for JEE in Aakash and gave a very good review about Aakash, so I decided to pursue my journey of JEE through Aakash. JEE is a very tough and competitive exam, but if one is determined to perform good in JEE, he or she can achieve great in it. I was helped by Aakash Chandigarh in performing good in JEE. The faculties and the curriculum here is very good. That helps us to build in our concepts and perform the great at the end. And I wanted to pursue computer science in IIT Bombay since the day one. So I joined Aakash. That helped me to complete my dream. Challenges are a part of the JEE Mains and advanced preparations. I found many challenges during my entire journey. I used to get low marks in the test sometimes. Whenever I felt low, I talked to my parents and teachers. They guided me up. I was specifically weak in chemistry. I found learning and memorizing the things very difficult. For that, my teachers advised me to memorize and revise the things daily I was weak in, so that I could build up the concepts and perform good in that subject as well. My last month strategy was to revise all the concepts again and did not do something new. I took all the tests, collected my doubts, asked them from my teachers, and the teachers helped me a lot during the preparation at the very end. They were my biggest helping hands. For chemistry specifically, I started reading NCERT for the complete last month, and that was the major factor that helped me perform good. One should remain calm and stress-free at the very end. We should believe in ourselves and have confidence that we prepared great and will perform the great at the end. My parents had the major role for my JEE preparation. They are the reason of my success for the preparation. Whenever I felt stressful or felt low, I talked to my parents. They encouraged me up. They guided me to take the right decisions. My mother is a teacher and she not only helped me in the subject but also guided me to be disciplined, focused towards my studies. My father also encouraged me in performing JEE and pursuing engineering besides being from a commerce background. Discipline is the key role in the preparation of JEE. I was disciplined and determined towards my goal. I was clear about performing good in JEE, so I was away from all the social media distractions like Facebook, Instagram, which take us on a different path. I never used such platforms during my JEE preparation. I was completely distant from all the OTT platforms like Netflix, etc. I would advise the aspirants to not use these platforms for at least 2 years, because if one starts using these, we get addicted to it, and that deteriorates our performance in the JEE and also takes us on a different path. So for free time, I would take the choice of playing with my friends outdoor, chilling by listening to music despite you watching movies or relaxing on TVs and shows. Teachers had a very great role in my success. They were very supportive. I could ask doubts anytime I wanted. The Aakash faculty here is great and well experienced. I approached them every time I felt difficulty in any particular subject or any particular topic, and they helped me clear all my concepts at that time particularly. So they helped me throughout the journey, motivated me whenever I felt low or stressed, and I found that a great help for my JEE. The final test series help us to know about the exam pattern and helps us to build the exam strategy that would help at the end. It gives us a lot quantity and quality of questions that helps us improve the studies and the concepts as well. So the All India Aakash test series also help us to know our relative rank at a very national level. That helps us to know our performance and improve in a better way. The Aakash packages and modules provided are highly sufficient for performing well in JEE. You have to revise thoroughly all the packages and subjects and need not to go anywhere out in search of other books, because they are self-sufficient. That helps you in performing good in JEE. We don't have a need to go for extra assistance for specifically board exams, because the curriculum of Aakash is set in the way that we get to study both together. We are arranged with classes for specifically board exams and are given tests that help us to feel confident for board exams along with the JEE preparation. I got to know about ANTHE from my friends and relatives, and I gave the exam in class 9th. ANTHE is a national level exam that helps us to analyze our performance at the national level, where lakhs of students sit together to give the exam and we get to know our national position. ANTHE also helps us to get admission at a very affordable price in Akash. It gets excellent scholarships, the way I got 100% scholarship in the exam and I could join Akash at a very low cost. My parents encouraged me to start the JEE preparation or the foundation courses since 9th-10th because this helps in building the concepts, as we know that classes 9th and 10th are linked with plus 1 and plus 2, so we can build our concepts in a better way in the foundation courses, as we have enough time to focus on the weak concepts and building up the concepts and realizing that we can perform good in JEE. It also reduces the burden in the classes 11th and 12th and also helps to boost up our rank at the national level at the very end. I would make a schedule for the day at the very initials of the day, and then I would adhere to the timings and the schedule and follow it for the rest of the day. I would prefer studying the weak topics for in my case chemistry at the starting of the day. I would give regular tests, regular assignments, and I would always prefer completing the homeworks and revising the concepts being done in the class daily so that I could not lag behind, and I would prefer not to keep the work pending for the next day. That would help me enhance and improve in a better way. I used to study 5 to 6 hours and I would give that time to self-study except for my regular classes that are being held. I would prefer studying for 1.5 hours at a regular go and then take regular breaks so that you can study that effectively. I would give an advice for JEE aspirants to study for at least 5 to 6 hours and would prefer completing the task that they have set. I feel like hard work and consistency are the major factors that help us in the JEE Advanced preparation. Regular test series and mock tests are necessary, and doubt solving becomes the major task in the JEE preparation. I would say that one should remain calm and stress-free during the whole journey, which helps a lot. We should talk regularly with parents, teachers that guide us and give us the right path. That helps us complete the JEE journey. At the end, have faith and have belief in yourself and have confidence on your preparation. We could do JEE the same way you could as well. Thank you and all the best.